guys, and welcome back to my channel. That I discovered my vacuum was broken. You have no idea how annoyed I was at this very moment. Now I have to take it to the repair guy to get it fixed because I have no idea what's going on with it. You can see that I'm picking at it. I thought that something was wrapped around the barrel. I don't know what's going on with it. It was not working. It's really grinding my gears. It was making me so mad. So here you can see that I'm pushing it around. I'm like, come on, it's working. And right there, I actually tried to pick up a popcorn kernel and it wouldn't work. So that's when I realized this has got to go. So you will see me pull out the little vacuum that I have, which is like a little Bissell one, and it does the job, but our dog Riley sheds so much that I need to get this vacuum fixed ASAP. you've seen my previous videos, then you know that this kitchen table is usually craft central. It has paint, markers, Play-Doh, everything and anything you could think of goes into this table every day because it is but I realized I stopped. I got it going for you guys again. So let's get this kitchen clean.
Pressure on me.
place is looking so good. I cannot wait to sit back, relax, and enjoy my evening. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys next time.